Hey Camilla, this is Don Cunningham, and I wanted to talk to you about your website today and three things that you can do to bring more patients to your practice. I have found that by giving businesses and free educational information that can impact their business online has resulted many times in business owners asking for my help. So if at the end of this video, and you like what the information that I provided for you, you can take what I've shown you and do this on your own, or you can give me a call and we can talk about it. Okay, the three things I wanted to go over are content, citation, and backlinks. Now, the content, what we call content, we talk about pictures and words on your home page. So looking at your site here, we have pictures, we have some pictures, nice pictures, and some word content. Now, but however, you only have about 550 words on your home page. Now, when Google is ranking a website, it likes to see, say, like a minimum of like 1,500 to 2,400 words on the home page. Okay, now this is the website of your top competitor. Now their website is showing up on the first page in a Google search. So, and I'll show you the content they have on their web page. They have pictures as well and a lot of word content. Now they actually do have 1,503 words on their home page. But it's not just the number of words that is important because you want to have the right keywords that people are using in searches for your website to be found. Okay, this is a little tool that I use called Hrefs, and what that does is it shows the background details what Google is looking at when it's ranking a website. So I scan your website here, and it's showing here you're only being found for one keyword. Okay, so now this is your competitor site in Ahrefs, and we see they're being found for 20 organic keywords. Click on here. Okay, these are the keywords that they're being found for. The first one is their name, of course, it's called Aesthetica. Um, when you come down, you can see Aesthetic Spa, Daniel, Dr. Wagner, I guess that's the doctor there, and then Aesthetic Medspa. So this gives you an idea of the searches that are bringing their site up. Okay, so this is your site, your keywords in Ahrefs. You're being found just as one search, and that is Botox custom. So you can see how the importance of the keywords. So what you would want to do is you want to get a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, and and then you want to include keywords that your competitor is being found for, that will rank you along with your competitor and even above them if you use even more keywords than they have on their site. Okay, now let's move on to the second thing I wanted to talk to you about, and that is citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number, which we also call a NAP. Now, I have here the organic listing from that we get when we do a search. And this is your organic listing over here is our map section. And you can see here your name, address, and phone number here. Okay, that's what we call the NAP. But the important thing about that, it shows up here, and people are going to find you here. However, you want your NAP listed in online directories. Okay, this is a little chart here showing you the top online directories that you want to have your NAP listed in. But in addition to these, there's a couple of hundred other directories online that your business can be listed in. So the way you move up in your organic listing and also in the maps in the map pack is by having your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor. Now I have a tool that I use, or actually it's a site that you can go to called Bright Local, and on that site you can see all the citations that are listed for your business as well as your competitors. So what we want to do is match what your competitor has, and then add your NAP to even more directories than that, and that will give more relevance to your site as far as Google is concerned. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one site links back to another site online. And the site being linked to what that does for the site being linked to, it gives that site more authority. So the more backlinks you have linking to your website gives your site more authority. It's almost like a popularity contest or a recommendation. So the more backlinks you have linking back to your site, it gives you more authority. Okay, this is your site in Ahrefs again. Now we're going to look at the backlinks. It does show that you have 22 backlinks. But let's take a look and see what your competitor has. Okay, so now it shows that they have 255 backlinks linking back to their site. So we can click here, and these are all the sites that are linking back to their site, giving their site more authority. As I said, making their site like more popular and recommending their site. So now what we could do here is we could get all of these same backlinks, and we could get these same backlinks linking back to your site. But in addition to that, then we could get even more backlinks linking back to your site. So it would actually give your site more authority than your competitor. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, and with including the right keywords, and including keywords that your competitor is being found for. And then the second thing we went over was citations. You want to have your citation listed in more directories than your competitor, which gives your site more relevance. And then we went over backlinks, which gives your site more authority, the more backlinks you have pointing to your site. And if your site has more backlinks than your competitor, it gives you more authority than your competitor in Google's eyes. So those are three things that we talked about. So as I said before, you can take this information and you can use it on your own, or if you want my help, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. You have a good day.